G'day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today is a wonderful day. It's late on a Sunday afternoon, but my hard work is done for a bit. Okay, so you're going to see way more videos all of a sudden, and in a week or two, yeah, let's say a week's time, I'm on holiday, and that means we're going to see lots of videos and maybe going interesting places and whatnot. Okay, today we're looking at a lovely knife. We haven't done Rough Riders in a while, so let's get back to that. Rough Rider, classic cinnamon bone stag, carbon steel. Okay, this is the RR2433. We have a beautiful box as always. We get the little wrap whenever it's carbon steel. They wrap it in that wonderfulness, and there we go. Now, before we look at this knife, remember this one I showed you previously? The Kizer Retro. Can you see what vibes they were going for? The shield and the whatnot. Okay, go check out that video. Now, look at this thing. Oh, people that were in the giveaway, please go check, because my guy that won haven't actually responded to me yet. So if you know him, let him know. Okay, there we go. A beautiful cinnamon bone stag, which means it's not real stag. You can see little milling lines inside of these areas. So they take a piece of bone, they mill it like that, and then they burn it, and they color the inside, but it looks fantastic. I really like this Rough Rider imitation bone. Imitation stag. It's still real bone, but imitation stag. Anyway, nickel brass bolsters, beautiful brass pins, beautiful clean back spacer. Wonderful, no gapping I'm going to be concerned about. We do see the space between the two liners, but that's fantastic. Beautiful brass liners, black liners or under the bone. Looks wonderful. Okay, now this is a moose. I'm really getting into these moose knives. It's like a cooler trapper. Okay, we have the wonderful clip point blade. Beautiful. Nice switch over there. Long nail neck with the match strike pull. Over there we see Rough Rider. Very nice. Over there we see carbon steel and the number and China at the bottom. Nice walk and talk on this guy. And then beautiful skinning blade. I love these skinning blades. It's like a modified spay. Beautiful belly on this thing. Wonderful for meat. Now, you see there's no discolorations, which means I have not used this on meat yet. It will eventually get there. Anyway, so I love these, I forgot the name, moose, moose knives, and I really like the bone. Okay, so I'm celebrating today because my hardship is over for a little bit. It will begin again in a few weeks, but for now at least it's a more relaxing time of year for me. Okay, so I'm gonna braai. If you want to follow along, please do. The kids and I went shopping, so it's just random wors or sausages. And then, yes, we're eating that with mashed potatoes and dark sweet onion and garlic gravy. Okay, that's me. Follow along if you want to. Okay, our fire is crazy hot, but I think it's time to start chucking some things on here. Okay, first things on the fire, some delicious cheese, Russians, and pork braaiwors. So this is not beef boerewors, this is pork. Okay, these guys seem to burn quite quick, so I'll have to be quick. Okay, these guys are plumping up and looking almost ready. That thing I'm moving away from the fire. Good job. Okay, so while that weird looking thing is ever expanding, I'm adding some small jalapeno and cheese sausages on here. And in grandma's casserole we have those guys, the cheese Russians. Sausages. Okay, so all of these guys look very close to done. I am going to call it, except for that thing, but I hope it's fine. Okay, all of you, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. If you have made it till the end of this video, you are fantastic. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Give yourself a thumbs up too. Just don't press the button twice, otherwise you're cancelling my thumbs up. Subscription, still free at this stage. So subscribe, and then I will see you again next weekend. Yes, next week, Friday. Okay, goodbye.